Menterang ba kajala konrad ke sangma ulang ba Jingpyndep ke Surok ba Mairang-Rani Godown hapo East and West KHASI Hills District and supply ke lat ke Lynti ke babon na kabanta ke khai ke pateng ki kam jung kai prothe bat kum ju ru ban penmi ya ki kar khana ke babon jat kham dam ha ka bay dai bat ki marba mardi ulang ru ba nakadaw ba kan ke Surok ke pateng shedu ke kat ling sun bat chenong ba gohati ru kum ju kan ka than chen kan sasaki khambun ka roi ka par ha ka por ka ban sawan usang ma ula ang syuk ru ba kajing Surok kalong kajing sedang ya kano karoi ke par kabanwan.
In fact, this road will open up a huge opportunity for commercial trade to take place, for different opportunities of tourism to come in, and definitely in other areas of food processing and other industries to develop. And since this road leads into the airport section and towards Guwahati city, and hence the land and the areas closer to the Guwahati sector and the airport sector will also see much more development in the future, because we'll be able to develop the concept of satellite cities, where we'll be able to create zones, and the proximity to Guwahati city will give an advantage to it. So this road construction will have multiple benefits.